What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. This is Chuck with Chuck's Hobby Spot. I want to start the video off just letting everybody know Merry Christmas, and it's a little late, but I had family over, so I hope everybody had a great Christmas. I watched a lot of the Christmas videos everybody did, and they were all awesome. So I did finish the 40 Ford for the group build, the Unified Scale Model Car Build Group Challenge paragraph. The group build, I'll just call it the group build. I'm not allowed to show it, I guess, so I can't show it till January 15th, I think. So be looking out for that video in a couple weeks. So I'd love to show it to you guys, but I guess that's part of the group, rules that we have there. So I did see another guy post a video of his final on his. So I'm gonna do it the way everybody else is doing it, though. I'm gonna make everybody wait. So in the meantime, I just wanted to give you a quick little update of the shop. Now I'm doing the 66 Nova, so let's just know that I'm getting ready to paint this today. And a lot of this stuff's painted already. I'll do an update video after I get paint and clear on that. So it's a little bit of eye candy too at the same time. So, but a lot of people asked if I'd show what's in the box of this Meng kit. So let's get started on that. This is the second time I shot this video. I kind of messed up on the panning in and out, and I figured out a better way, but I'll show you guys the box art of this kit real quick. I'm digging this kit. I paid 59 bucks at Andy's for it. And I also bought the trumpeter kit. I don't even remember what I paid, like 100 bucks or something. I don't remember. It was a while back, but I'm going to buy the big scale kit like this too. So anyway, that's the box art. So let's go ahead and stick this aside. But oh, look at what I got from my desk too. Picture of me and my grandson working on the custom, and I'll put a picture of the custom up here so you guys can see it. I like getting them in the garage looking at or working on stuff. I think we were changing the starter and that, putting the primary rail back together. So anyway, that was fun. So let's take a look at this real quick. So I'll go ahead and put the box here, and I'll let you guys see the clear is really nice. I'm not going to open the clear up, but seeing that I did this video already, I did open all the bags, so that's kind of nice for you guys. The body's extremely nice. Got a lot of detail. These Meng kits are nice. I've got that H2 also, a buddy of mine gave me. And I'll do a what's in the box video of that too. If you want to see it, go ahead and put in the comments, hey, do an update on that one. I want to see it, but I think it had like a mold, there it is, the seam line right there. That's it. Super easy to do this kit. It's gonna make an easy kit to build. There you go, the seats, some air dams, I think, or what that is. The interior, it's pretty detailed. Bottom of the chassis, another part of it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm trying to should I zoom in? The wheels are pretty nice. Engine parts there. How detailed those are. Super nice. It's a nice kit. Move this out of the way, you can see better. try to make this video quick. It's for the wheels. The dash. It's pretty nice. It's a nice kit, man. We couldn't pass this thing up. The detail on these they're up there. I like Tamiya stuff too, and the tires are nice. I think this is a build off thing. I want to look into that. This comes with photo itch and seat belts, the window masking, which I like that. And I did open this, the details in here, so you can take a quick look at those. Looks like a nice set of decals. Pretty nice set of decals. Take a look at the instructions here. Real quick here. They're in color, so. Shows the seat belts and all that. Pretty cool. These kits are nice, man. Yeah, I mean, I'd recommend it. I haven't built it yet. I mean, I shouldn't. From what I can see in the box, I'd recommend this kit. Looks like it's going to be a really, really fun kit. Shows different liveries, I think. What's in there shows pretty much, that's pretty much the kit. So that's the Meng kit, the GT40 Ford. So I told everybody I'd do a review on this kit, and there's your kit review. So hope everybody enjoyed the kit review. I hope you guys got what you guys wanted out of it, and I hope you guys all had a great Christmas. Hope you guys spent some time with your families, everybody being safe. I hope nobody's drinking and driving or anything, and I hope everybody has a safe New Year's also. So no need to drink and drive. Put the keys up. I know that I'm going to be building model kits, so I don't have to worry about that. All right, well, you guys all take care, and see you on the next video, probably after paint on the 66 Nova. You guys all take care. I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do, and I'm glad you do. You guys all take care. Happy holidays. Bye.